Okay, it is a trunk. Found trunk. Do I know what that is?
Yeah.
You know I know what that is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. This is a quick little unboxing. The first part's gonna be the TV executive unit, and the second part's gonna be this nasty little $300 unit I bought. Anyway, little time to talk, gotta get going. I'm still in bed, late for work already today, but enjoy the show. Come in here. Box says tapes. Oh, they call tapes. There we go. Those fit your granddaughter's too big for that, right? Yeah. Those are brand new. Should we give them to Kelly? They're not brand new, are they?
No.
No, I would say maybe Kelly like it, but okay. It's a doll. I'm guessing a doll. What's your guess? Nope, tapes. We'll just take that one like that now that we did that. Just lift that one out.
Alarm clock, CD.
Wow. It's all tapes, huh?
Yep.
A money dispenser. That's a good sign. I think we found these actually when we did a collab in the beginning of this with Manuel, a good friend of mine. I'll try to put his link in the channel here. He does his channel in all Spanish, but he puts the English subtitles, and he is one of my favorite buyers, especially in the Bay Area. As well, he's a really good friend of mine. These are plain air oil paintings. I need to get those looked at. Could be very valuable. Boston Celtics, that could be money. Oh, People's Choice Award.
That's a cool piece.
That's beyond cool piece, Uncle Michael. Ooh, found change. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We got a TV award. You're just gonna open that with your bare hands?
Thought about it. Dibs.
Oh, dang it, he beat me to it. Not if it's silver. Can we see in there?
Pennies.
You can have it. More importantly is this little People's Choice TV Awards. Look at that. I've never seen one of those. I don't know if this has any actual value or if it's just a cool award, but I like it. Any more People's Choice Awards? We got a Pog. What is that? Nolan Ryan? You never know though if there's a Rolex in the bottom of one of these, right? They did? Oh, framed. We've been framed, Uncle Michael. That is not a United shirt. Digital TV Audit Team. Oh, that's a good shirt. I'd set that aside. Do we have anything down there? Clef USA. Ooh, what is that?
There you go.
That is a... Ooh, that's NBA, isn't it? Or am I tripping? No, it looked like NBA. That's still pretty cool. Baseball. That's a good... That's a good jacket of some form. He had all sorts of jobs, huh? A printer. I wouldn't even mess with that. What is this here? Cool. All right.
Vintage.
Doesn't look like nothing spectacular. All right. Quantum battery, normal charge. You know what that looks like? It looks like something you use when you're filming like TV. Yeah, you put that on there.
Belt.
Yeah. We'll have to set that aside. Could be used in a very famous movie.
How about this?
That's not special. What are we gonna get to $8 for that? Let's. You know what? Actually, I know somebody who wanted a microscope. What are they saying? What's that? War and Remembrance. These are good. Sound of Music. Frank Sinatra. These are actually money. I'll set all these aside because I can sell them on Crosby, Stills, and Nash. These are all good for eBay, so I'll just put that whole thing aside for eBay. Shipping that. That looks like a Warriors bag. Please be something good. No? Doesn't look like anything exciting in here.
Christmas.
Looks like all Christmas, huh?
Really?
Alright.
What was some left tomorrow?
Ooh, this will match your truck, Uncle Mike.
Yeah.
What do we got, Uncle Mike? Another one of those fancy vases?
A vase.
Look at that rug. What's that say on it?
Rat.
Handmade in India. This actually,
That's pretty worth some money.
we need to look this one up. Handmade in India composition. Oh, for New Jersey.
Matches, it does match
Can I see the bottom of it?
The same as the other one. No, it's a little nicer.
It's not signed though.
Nice vase though.
I don't like it. Yeah, exactly. Before he even showed up to work today, I had half the trailer unloaded by myself.
He was late to work the other day.
It doesn't matter. I still do more work. I did half of the dang trailer. Don't try to hate Uncle Michael. Make yourself look good in front of the whole world.
You want that for your kitchen?
No. God, no.
Yeah, they're good in your kitchen.
Uncle Michael, look at this. No. No putting that on my kitchen. I already got kitchen decoration. Look at the way you handle that stuff with such care. You just throw the paper on the ground. The manager here's going to yell at you.
Oh, what type?
Cheap vase. Nothing good. Where's the goods? Looks like we paid a lot to do a little bit of profit on this one. We need like one really good, just wow factor type item.
A huge bong.
Huge vase, he says. Huge vase. Come on, be a jewelry box in here. Is that a Christmas shirt?
No? Where do you see Christmas?
Soccer? Oh, it's almost Christmassy.
It
No.
could be.
There's nothing at the bottom?
No, some clothes that fell off the hanger.
Oh.
Here you go, right here. Disney Channel.
Ooh. We are here in this very specific unit I picked up yesterday. Kind of did a little bit already on the live video if you missed that in another video. But nonetheless, this unit belonged to a person who is now deceased. And my friend was getting paid to dump the unit. He does hauling. And he showed me it. And I honestly, if I would have been at an auction and I would have known somebody passed away and the unit looked like this, I'd have probably bid $1,000 on it. He asked me if I wanted to buy it. I gave him $300 for this unit. Even though he got paid, it's a world of making money. And we're going to get started right now. I can tell you that there's tools in here, fishing poles. You see all sorts of doodads. You look at the level of dust. This thing has been sitting for some time. That right off the bat makes me like it. And we're loading up another load. We're going to take out 2 loads to the flea market tomorrow. So we're getting the van loaded, and we already got the trailer loaded. I knew that was tackle box. Fishing. Fly lures, like $4 and stuff. Ooh, what do you got there, tools? $15 paint sprayer, a couple dollars in metal. Nothing spectacular. Another one of these. How come we keep finding these? Oh, this is like a $10 box with a chain.
Will sell.
This is kind of nice right here. A little rewiring kit. What I like about this is it's vintage. Look at it. It's got the original. This thing's older than you, Uncle Mike.
That it is.
That's got to be worth $20-$30 right there. Just because of the nostalgic of this, a car guy might like it. Somebody who collects old stuff. I can see it being cleaned up and used in a nice environment to look at stuff. Take whatever's in our way. It's all got to get out of here anyway. No sense in leaving it in, right? Those crates are worth at least 10. Hewlett Packard. Nice. Those are worth 10, $15 a piece. Oh, Uncle Michael. He's so strong, he just grabs things and demolishes them. This is the mess he made here. This is the mess he made. Anything to say about this, Uncle Michael?
No, let's just move on.
What'd you say?
Let's get it cleaned up and move on.
If I'd have done that, he'd have been all over me. What are these? There's some stuff here that I just don't really know what it is. Something like that I think we'll set aside till we figure out what it is. Here we got 2 boxes of window tinting. No, it's not. Huh?
It's the attachments.
Okay, we got all the attachments, but we don't have the actual blower. I'm gonna set these aside for now until I figure out what all of those are.
This?
Yeah, well, that's part of a bicycle, right? Oh, you know what that is?
Exercise bike.
Exercise bike. So he was in a scrap metal, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Or at least into possibly fixing things. Stove burners?
No, I want to say plant stands.
Interesting. But those are cool, though. Somebody will buy those. Watch that nails right there. It's all about to fall.
What is?
Can you imagine what this guy paid for this unit?
Right here.
I have that in the back of my thing. I'm not worried about it. If it sticks out, it sticks out. What's in that tube? Is that just wax paper or is there something special under there? What does that book say? Ooh. You're not seeing the covers of them. Sunset. That's actually a little bit of money. Believe it or not, they call these runs. I want to set that aside because that could be like 40, 50 bucks on eBay.
Old paper.
I'm not very fond of that.
Brake shoes.
Copper wire?
Yeah. You want to take these out?
Somebody will buy them. There's an old, you can probably put them in your door right there. If not, the scrap metal guys will take them. Look, you could barely pick that up. I think this one has spiders. I'm gonna need you to get it.
You think it's the only one that has spiders?
So it's the first one I've seen. Okay, it is a trunk. Found trunk. Food?
I want to say honey.
I don't know if I want to see you open them. Paint? Wow.
That's what it was.
You have any idea what that is? Looks like a, no, not a horn.
I want to say some kind of a hoist.
It looks like a fan.
Sterilizer Company, Oakland, California.
These are a few bucks here. Somebody asks me about these all the time. What do those go to, those taillights?
Big trailer.
It's a few dollar trunk, though. Do I know what that is?
Yeah.
You know I know what that is. Do you know what that is?
Someone's tripping hard.
Those are springs.
Springs.
Anything exciting in there? Soap? Oh, those are kind of cool. That's $8.
You need any of these for your garage?
No. It's wood. Ooh, she had a violin. Can you pull that all the way out? This is nice. Why does it have to be demolished? Is there the whole violin in there? No. Dang, that's still... Should we take that tomorrow or save it? We need something good tomorrow, right? That's 20, 25 bucks broken. What you got there?
Jumper cables.
You're breaking everything.
That's a collection.
Ooh, that is nice actually right there.
Yeah.
This is kind of used when you were a kid, right?
It's a good one though.
What do you think that's worth?
You don't want to buy that.
I think we'll save this for the Thursday run next Thanksgiving.
That looks like a $25 item.
I think this looks like more like a $50 bill. But we'll see. Conduit? You conduit. You conduit. Cash register tape. That's exactly what it is. We are almost to the good stuff, Uncle Mike. Once we get a little clear spot here, we'll probably keep trash off to the left side. Something good?
Airbags.
Scrap tape, a pack rat.
You got all these attachments.
I don't know. Weird. All right. Almost thought that was going to be cool. Sheridan silver plated. That's starting to be a better sign because right now it's looking like I got myself into a little bit of a pickle here with this unit. Trying to find something. Ooh. The Singer Sewing Company. That might be a few bucks there. That's a nice little piece. They're not complete.
Not really.
Looking a little scary here, Uncle Mike.
My bro, it's just right here in front.
What did I do to myself? This is what it's like being a storage auction pirate. You do dumb things. Okay, what are those, paper towel racks?
I want to say something like that. This doesn't make sense.
I don't know. Looking scary.